Welcome to my channel, food lovers. Today I'm diving into a topic that's a bit, well, stinky. We all love to enjoy a good meal, but sometimes our food choices can lead to some unpleasant consequences. So, let's talk about the 9 worst foods that make your farts smell deadly. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Alright, let's jump right in. Number 1, eggs. Now don't get me wrong, I love a good omelet just as much as the next person. But eggs are notorious for their high sulfur content, which can make your farts smell like rotten eggs. So, enjoy in moderation if you're planning to be around people. Number 2, broccoli. This veggie is packed with nutrients, but it's also packed with raffinose. That's a type of sugar that our bodies struggle to break down, leading to some seriously stinky results. Number 3, cabbage. Much like broccoli, cabbage is full of fiber and sulfur compounds. While it's great for your health, it might not be so great for your social life if you overdo it. Number 4, beans. I know beans are a staple in many diets, but they contain oligosaccharides that our bodies can't digest easily. This can lead to gas that's not just frequent, but also quite foul-smelling. Number 5, dairy. If you're lactose intolerant, consuming dairy can lead to some serious tummy troubles, including smelly gas. Even if you're not lactose intolerant, dairy can still cause gas for some people. Number 6, garlic. Garlic is fantastic for adding flavor to food, but it's also high in sulfur compounds. This can lead to some particularly pungent flatulence. Number 7, onions. These are another kitchen staple that can wreak havoc on your digestive system. Like garlic, onions contain sulfur compounds that can make your gas smell pretty bad. Number 8, carbonated drinks. Yep, those fizzy sodas and sparkling waters can cause some serious gas. The carbonation releases carbon dioxide gas in your stomach, which then finds its way out. And finally, number 9, fried foods. High-fat foods are harder for your body to digest, which can lead to increased gas production. Plus, the grease can create unpleasant smells. And there you have it, folks. The 9 worst foods that make your farts smell deadly. Remember, it's all about moderation. Enjoy these foods, but be mindful of the potential consequences. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fresh, food lovers.